Have you ever asked yourself why some kernels doesn't pop when making popcorn? Well, it's not the pot and it's not bad luck. By the end of this video, you will know why and also the secret to a better popcorn. So keep watching and don't click out yet. First of all, your measurement matters when making a popcorn. So I'm making use of half cup of popcorn kernels in this video. Then secondly, the amount of popcorn kernels you want to use. Determine the size of the pot or pan you'll be using. This is actually the first place the mistake comes from. You have to ensure that the popcorn kernels are well seated inside the pot. And you can do that by either shaking the pot or using your hands to arrange it. After that, go in with your oil. And I'm making use of 1/3 cup of oil. Then I also added half tablespoon of butter. This is optional, but I like adding butter to my popcorn. Stir everything until the butter dissolves. So as you can see, there is enough oil inside this pan, and this will help with the popping. Okay, so guys, at this point you don't need to cover the pot until 1 or 2 of the kernels pops. Once it starts popping, do not cover immediately. Add a tiny spoon of water into it. This will actually produce a steam that will help more kernels to pop. And this is the simple trick many people don't know. Go ahead and cover and let the popping begin. Always shake the pot or pan from time to time so that all the kernels can pop. And that is it, guys. Our popcorn is ready. You can see how fluffy it is looking, and I bet you all the kernels popped and none of them got burnt. And as you can see, our pan is neat. That is to show you that none of them got burnt and all the kernels actually popped. Okay, so guys, I know you'll be asking yourself, is she not going to add sugar? Don't worry, I'm going to be adding the sugar and the milk together. Once I'm done adding the milk and the sugar, I'll just go ahead and combine everything together. And that is it. Our milky popcorn is ready and you can serve and enjoy. You can actually share this to your friends, family, visitors, and also you can actually give this to your children as a snacks in school. Not only that, you can as well start up a popcorn business with this. Okay, so guys, to get a better result of your popcorn, always preheat your pot. Use fresh popcorn kernels. Use enough oil. Add water and keep the lid slightly covered so that heat can stay inside. Okay, with that being said, these are just the secrets to a better popcorn. Let me know in the comment section if you will be trying out the secrets. Okay, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post a new video like this. Bye for now, and I will see you on my next video.